STEAM scholars, today's challenge project will help us explore the S that stands for science, the A for art, and the M for math in the word STEAM. It will also help us understand how colors reflect and absorb, and what happens when you mix colors. Did you know that mixing colors of light and colors of paint are different? Today, we're going to focus on the effects of mixing paint. Before we begin, I want you to keep in mind these questions and write your answers in your design thinking process notebook. What do you think happens when you mix certain colors? What do you think will happen when you mix all the colors together? And what colors do you notice reflect and what colors do you notice absorb? Feel free to work in groups and use your group roles for this discussion. So for this project, you will need a tablecloth, paint, a measuring cup, a plastic tub, an apron, water, something to stir with like a fork, and of course, your design thinking process notebook, your design thinking process card, and a pencil. So step 1, we are going to focus on primary colors for this project. Primary colors are colors that can make all other colors by mixing. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So you are going to choose 2 primary colors to focus on. Step 2, write down in your design thinking process notebook what 2 colors you are going to mix with. Now, you are going to fill your measuring cup with 1/2 cup of water. So you're gonna look at your measuring cup, look at the 1/2 mark, and that's where we're gonna fill it to. This is where we explore the math portion in our challenge project. Perfect. Now, design thinking process observer, help your group go over these questions and the design thinking process. A, ask, what am I trying to create or explore? B, brainstorm, how can I use my materials to create or explore what would happen if you mix colors together? C, collect, what information have I learned that will help me explore colors, reflections, absorptions, and mixing? D, develop, what is the first step I need to make to explore color mixing? E, evaluate, what works, what doesn't work, and what can I do to make my color mixing better? F, fine-tune, is my design where I want it to be? Are there any changes I need to make? Now, you are going to add 1 drop of your chosen primary color, paint, to your measuring cup of water. So I'm choosing to work with red and yellow. Add 1 drop. Perfect. Now you'll want to stir. Now you are going to add the colored water to your bucket. Now add another 1/2 cup of water to your measuring cup again. And add 1 drop of your other chosen primary color, paint. Stir. Now add the colored water to your bucket. And mix the 2 colors together. Write down in your design thinking process what you notice when you mix both of your primary colors. Write down what change you saw, if any, in your design thinking process notebook. Now, I noticed that my whole water turned red, so I'm going to try to add in a little bit more yellow. Again, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. Add in my yellow. I'm noticing a slight color difference. So I'm gonna add in some more water, some more yellow. So with your teacher's permission, please feel free to test out the other paint colors to observe what will happen when you mix the non-primary colors like white, black, and green. What do you think would happen if you add those colors in? So it looks like we have a color orange when you mix red and yellow. So reporter, lead your group discussion by going over the questions from the challenge project to learn what the other members in your group discovered. Question number 1, what do you think happens when you mix certain colors together? 2, what do you think will happen when you mix all of the colors together? 3, what colors did you notice reflected? 4, what colors did you notice absorbed? 5, what did you notice when you mixed both of your primary colors? 6, what did you see take place when you mixed your colors? And if you decide to add in white, what do you think happened when you added white? And what do you think will happen when you add black? Until next time, my STEAM scholars, keep exploring. Bye-bye.